guys. We're waiting for the bus. So this is Tooting. So that's bus 280. G1. That's Mornis. Today is Sunday. What's the date, babe? 30? Today? It's 30, isn't it, babe? Today is 30, right? 30 or 29. 30. I thought he was playing music. It's a 355 bus. We're still waiting for G1. G1. Still waiting for G1. It's 57.
Are you talking to yourself?
Yes. I'm talking. Yeah, I'm talking to myself. No, I'm taking video. I'm taking video. I'm taking video. Taking video while waiting for G1. There we go. There's our bus. Lovely. We're gonna get on to this G1 bus. There you go. Running far.